We are getting another look at the hail that some of you saw this afternoon. Our viewer Riley Perulik in Fort Worth sent this one in. Some people have reported seeing stones the size of quarters, maybe even some golf ball sized hail across Fort Worth. We're bringing Jesse Hawila back in now. Sorry, I didn't mean to stumble over your name. It's not like I just met you, Jesse.
Oh, my last name. So I called you Amy the other day on accident. Remember, I was so confused. But my last name is so simple to say. How could you forget?
Rhymes with tequila.
Don't ever forget that.
I'll never
folks.
forget that.
It's the only thing that rhymes with tequila, as far as I'm concerned.
Exactly. But you've talked about the fact that across Fort Worth, it was a lot of hail and a pretty severe storm, and then all of a sudden, poof, it's gone. We love that.
We do love that. Texas weather's insane. That storm popped up like that, and it died. I can't snap with my left hand. Died like that, so we're going to go back to the right hand. Let me show you this. We actually have no thunderstorms now in North Texas, but I'm going to watch as a cold front presses southeast into these areas highlighted in pink for the pop-up potential. Okay, it'd be isolated in nature. It's not going to be widespread, but a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for not the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but south. Johnson, Ellis County, Hill County, Navarro, and areas east, including Rockwall and Kaufman County. That's where the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms will exist for the rest of this evening, just for the next couple of hours, really. 84 degrees. The high today is a warm one, 73 the normal. Outside right now, 78. We had some cooler air moving in now. The cold front has passed through DFW. Winds are out of the north at 18 miles an hour. And here's what's left. If you look closely here, the Dallas-Fort Worth area, number one, is in the clear. Okay, so thunderstorm activity is not expected anymore tonight for the Metroplex. If you're watching anywhere in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we're done. You see this little line right here from Midlothian to Lancaster, traveling up to Royce City, Greenville? That's the front. As it moved through, it popped up that severe thunderstorm in Arlington around AT&T Stadium, and then even on the west side of Fort Worth, that dropped the hail that we saw. There it is, that line right there. That's the front moving through. So northwest of it in the clear, southeast of it, still the chance for a pop-up thunderstorm as we go through the next couple of hours. So I'll keep an eye on that south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area and east of the Metroplex. There's going to be a chance for a strong thunderstorm as we go through the next couple of hours. By 8, most of North Texas is done. This is not going to last long. This is not an overnight deal, thank goodness. We can all go to bed at a decent time tonight, not have to think about thunderstorms. This is 9 p.m. And look, the rest of tonight's just clear. We'll have a couple clouds move into the area. There's 7 o'clock in the morning Monday. We'll call it partly sunny on Monday. There will be a fair amount of sunshine, especially north of Dallas, north of Fort Worth, south of I-20, a little bit more cloud cover throughout the morning and early afternoon. Then we clear out Monday. Now I want you to pay attention. We're going to go through a lot here because we have several chances for thunderstorms. Enjoy Monday and Tuesday. Those days are quiet. This is 7 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. Nothing other than building clouds throughout the afternoon and evening, but then late Tuesday, and when I say late Tuesday, I'm really talking overnight. You know, it's one of those, is it overnight Tuesday? Is it early Wednesday morning? Likely after 3 o'clock in the morning. So we're going to call it very early Wednesday morning. Thunderstorms will start to develop, and this will kick off a pretty active period. This is 5 a.m. This is 7. Scattered thunderstorms across North Texas into the Dallas-Fort Worth area at 7 a.m. And some of those could be strong to severe overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. It's a level 2 slight risk for the Metroplex and everywhere to the west for golf ball size hail potential and winds of 60+ miles per hour. That's the concern very early Wednesday morning. Now let's take a look at what happens the rest of Wednesday. Scattered showers and storms will continue Wednesday morning. By midday, most of this is already east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and they may re-intensify in eastern portions of North Texas or into far east Texas Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. Some of those could be severe. We'll be keeping an eye on that. Then an additional round of thunderstorms will redevelop Wednesday night. You're now looking at 3 o'clock in the morning Thursday. Scattered showers and storms through 5 o'clock in the morning into daybreak Thursday. Some of those again could be severe. Still a level 2 slight risk for most of North Texas, including the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Wednesday evening and overnight, golf ball size hail, 60+ mile an hour winds. It's a level 3 enhanced risk in East Texas. That's where the better chance for severe weather is going to be Wednesday evening, Wednesday overnight, even Wednesday afternoon with that re-intensification that I just showed you. So we're going to be watching That was the second round. We have more rounds of weather coming. So right now we have a WFAA weather alert day in place for Wednesday morning and Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Golf ball size hail potential, 60+ mile-an-hour winds. Make sure you stay updated. Have a way to receive warnings and download the WFAA app for alerts. Tonight, 53, decreasing clouds late, dry, cool, a light breeze, winds out of the northeast 5 to 15. Tomorrow, 71. Partly sunny, dry, cooler, breezy at times, northeast wind 10 to 20. As we look at the 14-day forecast, you'll see the alert days Wednesday and Thursday. Very likely you'll see us put a WFAA alert day for Friday, Saturday, maybe even Sunday. There's going to be another chance for scattered showers and storms. I'll go back here and show you. Thursday night into Friday, that's going to be a higher chance for coverage, higher coverage, I should say, of rain. Thunderstorms, some of those could be severe. And then the rest of the 14-day forecast, calm. In fact, cooler too. Highs in the 60s for several days. And if you like the cooler weather, soak it in because our days are numbered.